Hey guys, Coupons Provide here, and today I'm coming at you with an awesome King Dollar haul. So I'm actually in the process of clearing out some stuff from my attic to go ahead and put into the community yard sale tomorrow. So I wanted to get this out of the way because I wanted to take some pictures for that. So if you're new to the channel, everything at King Dollar in the Houston area is $1.25. There's different locations. Some of the prices vary from $109 to $125 depending on your location that you shop at. I always leave the Google Map location of the place that I shop at on Instagram real time when I'm in the store, and I take pictures of all the new items that they have week to week, and I leave it at the end of the video before the pictures of the items that I did not get. So $1.25, awesome purchase prices. Let me go ahead and cover what I got with you guys. So starting off, the first item I got was this Escoda pink perfume, and I actually love the way this smells. It smells so good. I took a chance on it. I wasn't sure about the brand. I've looked it up and I've seen it for other, I want to say, countries. It smells really good. For $1.25, not bad, especially when you can just have it on your everyday wear. You don't have to wear your super expensive brands. I don't know what it retails for. If you find any information on it, go ahead and let me know. Share it down below with everyone else so we can all know the retail price compared to King Dollar purchase price. Moving on, I got the cutter. I had to get a whole case because, guys, man, these mosquitoes out here in the country ain't no joke. Like, they are ginormous size, they are fast, and they get you the moment you go outside, and especially because there's a lot of sitting water in the area. We are by a river, and when it rains out here, we have a little bit of acreage, and the water sits, and they tend to fester because it's sitting water. That's what they need to reproduce and stuff like that. So I got a lot of cutter because it's necessary out here, like one in every corner of everywhere around the house, in the house, and all that. So I got a case because we were actually gonna pick some up while we were out the other day. Guys, off is ridiculous. I can't remember the last time I paid retail for it. Even before King Dollar shopping, when I used to do couponing, I would not pay more than like $2 for off or for cutter or for any kind of repellent. And I'm just amazed at retail prices, like crazy. So when I saw them there again, well, when we went this last time, after seeing that retail, I was like, oh yeah, I'm about to stock up, because at $1.25, like, you can get 4, 5, or 6 for the price of one in other stores. So got 12 of those. I also picked up another one of the door magnets. These are actually a repurchase. We put them all around the house, in the other house, before moving, not because we didn't know we were moving. So now we needed one for the hallway, and it's awesome. The hallway, we have an automatic closer, so we kind of keep control of the air. This is a lot bigger house. It's way open, floor plan up here, and then it's closed off, you know, bedrooms in the back. So we want to kind of manage the airflow, because the light bill also is ridiculous, considering that with the regular usage, we have to pay a transmission fee, which is $150 so far, what we've gotten. Crazy. So picked up one of those for the hall door. And then, OMG gosh, I showed you guys these on Instagram. It's ridiculous what they retail. $261 for a case of 12 of these, like, catering serving platters or restaurant serving platters. You can use this here for like your soy sauce or whatever, peanut sauce, fish sauce for your, say, sushi, or your spring rolls, fried egg rolls, and things like that. It's just a serving tray. You could use it for whatever you want, really, but in the restaurants, that's what they use it for. And this is the Arkarock Professional Porcelain, and it's a 13-inch plate. I absolutely love it. I saw them there a couple of hauls back. I didn't get any, and I kicked myself in the butt after someone told me what they retail. So when I saw them this time, I was like, oh yes, I got to get at least 4, because we actually make spring rolls and stuff here at the house. So, and if you follow me on Instagram, #BatesFamilyMenu, you know I like to kind of serve up our plates for the hubby, because I like for him to enjoy his dinner, feel like it's kind of like restaurant-ish. And, you know, it's just more fun and relaxing that way. You get to enjoy it a little bit more. So I got 4 of those. And then look at these gorgeous little mugs. These are beautiful. They're supposed to be pottery mugs. I took the tag off of one so you guys could see the brand. Here it is. Sheffield Home, microwave, dishwasher safe, made in China, as everything else is. And these are about $10 a mug, guys. $10 a mug. I am not about that life. I saw them for $1.25. The hubby was hoping that I got them because he saw me post them to Instagram, and he looks through whenever I'm at King Dollar, because while he's working, if he has a chance, he'll scroll through so he can see if there's anything that he wants. He'll let me know. So I got 2 of the black, gorgeous, and then I got 1 of the blue, says dad, and then the green one that says T, and then the pink one says mom. That's all the ones that they had, and it is so cute. Oh my goodness. Like, even if you're not a fan of the different colors, if you post them, sorry, I'm thinking picture. If you put them on a higher shelf, you could put them side by side, and this is all you would see. Like, you don't see the color until you actually grab the mug, which is perfect for coordinating themes if you're really big on that. I am, but I'm not when it comes to coffee mugs, so just throwing that out there. Got those. And then this is so cute. I actually got this for Karen. K is for Karen here on YouTube. She's my awesome, amazing Bethel, and she's so cool and all that good stuff. So this one says, I love my rescue dog. Isn't that so cute? Now, I don't have anything red in my house or whatever, but I think she would really enjoy this. She actually just sent me an entire case of hot chocolate that I have to put away. But isn't this adorable? It's actually Blue Harbor brand, which is a, like, I don't want to say department store brand, but it's like a department line. I don't know. Anyway, it's a huge jar for the little treats. Blue Harbor. Nice. 50.7 ounces. Check that out. So I did pick that up. And I also picked up these mug cups ×4 for espresso shots. Are these not the cutest thing you've ever seen? These are so cute. I feel like you could like transplant your little tiny succulent stems in there so that they could start growing roots, and it would just be so adorable. Like in a coffee station or something. So precious. But I don't take espresso shots, but I do take regular shots. So, you know, I thought that'd be a cool little replacement for those kinds of things. Anyway, for $1.25, you can't beat it. It's a name brand. It is the Kickerland brand. So there is that, 2 of those. And that's it for like the house dish stuff. Now moving on to some kind of crafty things. I picked up these little 8-count antique brass cup hooks for $1.25. That's not bad, because usually stuff like this kind of goes for a couple of dollars, not like crazy buku money, but you'll pay a couple of bucks to get them. These are the Symmetry brand, and they're kind of antique-y looking. That's why I got them. I got 2 of those. And then I picked up the upholstery nails. I absolutely love stuff like this on the DIY projects that I do. Like when we make the DIY ladders, I add a little bit of hardware to them just to make them look a little bit industrial. They have this one with this pattern here. They're all 30 pieces. They are different patterns. And for $1.25, I thought that was a great deal to have them on hand. I love picking up stuff like this to have on hand, so when I get creative and want to like build little, you know, home decor DIY pieces to sell, I have these little pieces on hand, and it only cost me a few cents on the dollar. So I also picked up this. I thought this was cool. I've never seen it. I just wanted to give it a shot. It's fabric glue. I'm pretty sure it's like some off dollar store brand. I'm not positive. Regent Products. So if you know anything about it, let us know. If not, then I'm just gonna have it on hand to try it out. I thought it was a cool little thing. It's a nice size, so why not, right? And then I picked up this. It's an 8-piece glitter thread. How cute! Each one is 44 yards or 40 meters, 44 yards each. That's quite a bit of product. They're all shimmery. The black and the blue, purple and red. That's like a, is that like a teal and a green, and then silver and gold. So cute, and for crafting and junk journaling and stuff like that, that's adorable. All right, moving on to the last King Dollar item. These books here are actually from the library by King Dollar, so I'll just go over those in a second. But I picked this up for Cody, puppy Cody, Cody. He's our little pup. He's deaf, so he needs a lot of things like this to keep himself busy. He doesn't stay entertained with like noises and people, and he doesn't get excited that way. You have to excite him with other things like actions and toys and stuff like that. So got him one of these. He's kind of gone through the other one that we had some time ago, also from King Dollar, black, white, and yellow one. He loves that thing, but I think it's time for a new one because he has like, it's like shreds now. So I just got him a new one. I thought this was so cute, and he's getting bigger now. So I got him something a little bit bigger that he could kind of toss around and have more fun with, as opposed to that other one that's already fallen apart. So that is pretty much it for the King Dollar part of this, guys. I absolutely love going there week to week. I will leave all the pictures of the things that I did not get at the end of the video. And if you want to go ahead and click out now, go ahead and do so. Or fast forward to the pictures if you want to see what I didn't get. Or you can follow me on real time on Instagram whenever I'm posting all the pictures while I'm in the store. And I'll see you guys next time. But for the rest of you, there is a small Houston Public Library that I love to go to across from King Dollar. It is my regular stop to get a lot of my books because they sell hardbacks for 50 cents and the paperbacks for $0.25. And that is awesome. The only other place I found that is perfect for buying books super cheap is Pennywise, because they sell them 12 for $1 unless they're marked at a different price. So that is pretty freaking cool. There's also places like the 99-cent only store in Dollar Tree, but that's $1 a book. That's a little bit different. So yeah, anyway, really quick, picked up this one, Sulphur River, and then Return to Sulphur River. I thought that was pretty cool to find them both like that, and they are Western novels. I absolutely love all things Western. I was a country girl at heart, so the country always called to me, and I'm so glad that I made it out here. And I have loved every second of it, even though it's been like a hustle and hard work. We've only been here a while, or a few months, and it's been amazing, and I don't regret it, to be honest with you. I really don't. I love it. So of course I got these books to go just with the feel of the house, and I love it. So there's those. Those were 50 cents a piece. And then I actually picked this one up for a friend. She collects like Mexican pottery and authentic Mexican pieces. So I thought maybe she might like this for her book collection. If not, I love it. So if she doesn't want it or she's not into books like I am, I'll definitely keep it. No offense taken. But I thought it'd be a really cool thing to display with her little pieces, because she has a really nice, like super dark wood carved piece, cabinet kind of thing, and she keeps all her pottery in there, and I thought that was really cool to add to that. So I got that one, 50 cents, and then I got these for the boys, Darth Paper Strikes Back and The Strange Case of Origami Yoda. These were 50 cents a piece. The books retail for about $8, so I thought that was pretty cool. And then I picked up this one, Nora Roberts, Blood Magic, book 3 of Cousins Something trilogy. I thought that was pretty cute, and I've picked up several Nora Roberts books from Pennywise, so I thought I'd add it to the collection. I picked up this one, The Refinement of America, Persons, Houses, Cities, and guys, this book has so many awesome pieces in it, or excuse me, pictures of art and whatnot in it. I thought this would be perfect to use for junk journals, for embellishment, and ephemera and stuff like that. Look at the images in here. I absolutely love this. So I did pick it up to be used for the art. Oh my goodness. And it explains all the different ways, you know, America changed, and it shows like old floor plans and how they laid out their homes, and like separation of the classes and all that stuff. Like there's so much information in here, and the images are amazing. So cool. So I picked this up to use for ephemera. That one was $0.25. I was so excited that it was paperback because it was only $0.25. And then I picked up this one, The Titan's Curse comic novel for the boys. Thought it'd be something fun to read with them. We have actually completed our first book, 18 chapters of the Happy Hollister's books that I hauled from a thrift store not too long ago. If you guys saw that haul, I found like 12 books out of like 13 books out of a 26 set. It's like $200 and something for the set. It was crazy. So we finished our first book. It was the Happy Hollisters and the Mystery of the Something Coins, and the boys liked it. So we're ready to start the next one, which is the Mystery of the Something Scarecrow or something or other. But I picked up this little book too, Spiderwick, and then this one as well. And these are only $0.25. I thought it'd just be something fun to leave in the truck so they could read when we're driving in and out of town and stuff, because it's kind of a long drive. So that was only like $3, like $3.75 or something like that. So I thought that was really great. It's part of my regular stops. Whenever I go to King Dollar, I go to King Dollar first, then I go to the library, and then I'll stop at Value Village. I've already posted my Value Village haul, and I do have a full thrift store playlist if you want to see all the things that I found at the thrift store. And that is pretty much it. So I do hope that you guys enjoyed. I am so excited to put these pieces into my cabinets. If you don't know what cabinets I'm talking about and you just want to be up in my business, which I don't mind because I don't mind sharing. This is one of our cabinets. This is the one that I actually bought for, I think, $80. And it was a dark hazelnut. Someone actually gave me the color because I couldn't think of the name. Hazelnut. brown, and it was just very aged. It wasn't the nicest looking as far as being original, and I got it. It's actually a two-piece cabinet. You have the lower area and then you have the top area, which you could actually separate and use individually, but I didn't. I wanted it for this space, so I committed to putting it in this space. And this is holding a lot of my natural baskets and my green glass, and then a couple of regular glasses, and I love it. And that is where I choose to store all of my goodies. I'm actually going to be organizing these two cabinets, and then those plates are probably going to come in here. If not, they're gonna go into my other cabinet that I have in the breezeway, which I'll show you guys. Okay, so this is in our breezeway. We have this china cabinet here that holds the kids' lunch stuff, and then all of my other like white glass stuff. Looks like this on the inside. I showed this recently in my very mini Walmart haul, but I also have these small cabinets here on the side. These are IKEA cabinets that we customized and changed up, adding wood top and whatnot. This is the few white dishes that I have in here for now. These were actually IKEA plates that I got from King Dollar as well, and then these were also from King Dollar as well. That is super awesome. So they're probably gonna come into one of these cabinets because okay. So I also have this one here. This one hasn't been fully cleaned up yet. All this stuff was put directly in here from being unpacked. So I have to wash all of those. They have the newspaper print residue on them, and then this cabinet isn't fully set yet. So yeah, it's gonna come into one of these, and that's basically how I keep up with all of my adorable dishes that I buy from King Dollar. And to be honest, I actually want another china cabinet to go with the table that's over there where I actually did the video. So in this space, this is actually where I'm doing the video. I feel like I want something in here, but I'm not exactly sure because we're gonna be putting up curtains eventually here. So I'm not sure how that's going to look. But most likely, if I can find one that's somewhat similar to that, to where it's clean line, I can add a little bit of a rustic feel to it, nothing too crazy, and also not have it too polished, then I might do something. But I definitely don't want to go over $85. I did that because that was a very big, heavy piece, but I don't want to go over that. So even though I know it's chatty, I don't care anymore. I don't care if people want me to get right down to business. I want to be chatty because I feel like I'm talking and, you know, letting the friends to the channel in on my life a little bit, and that's how it's just going to be from here on out. I will not filter and sugarcoat things for anybody anymore. Like, I'm over that. I think if you've stuck around the channel this long and you know my personality, you just get it. I talk a lot. It's who I am. It's how I am. And I like sharing things with you guys because I like to inspire y'all in any way, shape, or form that I can. And if people consider that to be arrogant or prideful or this, that, and the other, I don't care anymore. I really don't, because my intention is to inspire on a budget. That's what it is, and that's how it is. And of course, nobody has to buy as much as I do anywhere, but I do it for pennies on the dollar. That's how I can afford to do it, and I put my things to use. We're a big family, and I love bringing home things that make my home feel homier and warm, and have everybody has access to anything that they need, and I can do that on a budget. So there is that. If you enjoyed, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what are the things that you take pride of as a woman, as a person, or even a man if you watch. I know there's a few out there. There's like 4% men on the channel. If you watch, what are the things that you do that you are proud of, that you might get looked down on by other people, like thrift store shopping, dollar store shopping, or whatever, and you're proud of them? I say go ahead and be proud. Who cares? Do you do what's best for your family, your family's budget, and whatever. Let us know down below of the thing that you are proud of, that you do different from other people, not caring about what other people say. Also, you can stick around and see the pictures of the things that I did not get. You can follow me on my Instagram and Facebook group at Coupon to Provide. You'll get a lot of real-time stuff there, a lot more personal, family, everyday stuff there as well. And if you enjoyed, don't forget, guys, keep couponing. Bye.